going to learn something interesting. I have noticed that many people struggle to get editing PDF document, isn't? But now, we are going to put it away. Please, if you find this video helpful, hit subscribe to encourage me to record the interesting videos. Let's go. Firstly, the documents shall not be taken as a photo or scanned, it should be PDF file. Secondly, tools we are going to use are PDFdocument, PDF books or journals and internet browser Google Chrome, Firefox, Fox, etc. Step 1. Go in any browser. Step 2. Type a word, Sejda. Step 3. Click on Sejda helps with your PDF tasks. Step 4. On your interface, look at Edit a PDF document and click on it, and this way it's freely. Step 5. Upload file you want to edit from your folder. Step 6. Select it then click Open. Step 7. Edit it whatever you want to clean or adding something.
Every step we take feels like it's forever. This world we create in this dance together.
Step 8. After doing everything you wanted to correct in your PDF, click Apply Changes. Step 9. Click Download. Your document will be saved in your preferably folder of downloaded files. Thank you for watching. Please remember, like, comments, subscribe.